Hi friends, this is the study plan about embryology, histology, general anatomy and genetics. The questions listed here are noted from your previous exam papers, so please make a note. To make it easy for your reading purpose, I split these questions for 5 days. Now I will start the questions from day 1. So this is the first question in day 1. Decidua, blastocyst, spermatogenesis, oogenesis, notochord, implantation, chorion. Along with the chorion, you can study amnion also, procaudal plate, primitive streak, placenta, its formation and anomalies, which is very important, formation of neural tube, neural crest cells and derivatives, development of thyroid gland, somites, intraembryonic mesoderm, formation, parts and derivatives. All these questions are listed in your previous papers. So try to read without skipping any question. Okay. Now we'll see the questions for day 2. In the day 2, first question is derivatives of endodermal pouches, and second one is ectodermal clefts, pharyngeal clefts or ectodermal clefts, and fate of mesodermal, fate of branchial arches. These 3 questions are repeatedly asked in your question papers. So try to read these 3 questions without skipping. Okay. And fourth one is descent of testis, development of pancreas. All these are the development of pituitary gland, development and congenital anomalies of face, lungs, portal vein, anal canal, and congenital anomalies of palate. This is also very important. Rotation of gut, tongue. It is also very important question. Derivatives of midgut, development of lips. So these are the questions for second day. Third day, we'll see for the third day. First one is right atrium development, fertilization and its effects, and formation of heart from the lateral part of mesoderm, formation of external jugular vein, development of thyroid and parathyroid glands, interatrial septal development, development of urinary bladder, ductus arteriosus, fate of meso and paramesonephric ducts in males and females, fetal circulation. Okay, these are the 10 questions for day 3. For the day 4, this is the general anatomy. These are general anatomy questions. First one is portal circulation, Langer lines, fixators and synergist muscles, agonist and antagonist muscles, rigor mortis, sesamoid bones and examples. 5 examples. Give 5 examples for end arteries. Definition of end arteries and give examples for end arteries. The next one is type of neuroglial cells and their function, loss of ossification. These are the questions regarding general anatomy noted from your previous papers. Next one for the day 5. Day 5 we'll see the histology and genetics. All these are the histology questions. Histology of elastic cartilage, cardiac muscle, layers of retina, histology of tongue, compact bone, skeletal muscle and thin skin, muscular artery, nothing but medium sized artery, thymus, palatine tonsil, parotid salivary gland. Along with this you can read, here it is there already, submandibular salivary gland, lymph node, hyaline cartilage, pituitary gland, elastic artery, spleen, microscopic structure, histology of testis, funny part of the stomach. These are the questions of histology I noted from your papers. On the 5th day itself, try to read genetics also. Genetics, there are 9 questions. Karyotyping, ring chromosome, Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, sex chromosome, nothing but bar body, mutation, in vitro fertilization, Turner syndrome, prenatal diagnosis of birth defects. Okay, these are the questions for 5 days. Try to read all these questions and make a note. I hope this video is helpful for your exam preparation. Thank you for watching.